Hi guys, I'm Justin. We're going to do a hitch install on a Dodge Grand Caravan. It can take you to some interesting places. It can take you camping, biking. You can also use it to pull U-Haul trailers. Alright, so let's break down this hitch install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. For this installation, we do have to lower the exhaust. We do have 2 rubber grommets that we do have to remove prior. You're going to have one located right towards the back of the muffler. The other one's going to be right up front, up on that side. So we're going to pull this off using our exhaust removal pliers. If you don't have a pair, you can actually use a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful with the grommet itself. All right, then we're going to move up to the front and use the same technique. Alright, so on the driver's side, we're going to have to remove 3 bolts. You're going to have a 15 millimeter towards the rear of the vehicle. We'll have 2 18 millimeters on the front. We'll use the deep well sockets to remove those. So on the passenger side, we have 2 bolts we're going to remove. We'll have an 18 and a 15. The 18 is going to be towards the back. The 15 is going to be the closest one to us. We'll have to slide the muffler down. Now we're going to raise our hitch into position. I'm going to use our exclusive U-Haul jack stand. If you don't have one, grab an extra set of hands. It is kind of difficult to put into position by yourself. Alright, so with our hitch into place, we're going to go ahead and start putting the hardware back in using the factory hardware. Now that they're started, we're going to use the 15 millimeter to tighten this bolt up. Just make sure you do not over tighten it. We're going to switch over to the 18 millimeter. Same thing, make sure you don't over tighten them. So now we finish this side, we're going to go finish installing the bolts on the passenger side. We're going to reinstall the rear. We'll use the impact with a 15 millimeter. Make sure you do not over tighten it. We'll switch over to the 18 millimeter. Now that we've got all those snugged down, we're going to torque all the bolts to the manufacturer specs. That will be in the description. So the last step is going to be to reinstall the exhaust. You can use soapy water. It makes it a little bit easier to get it to slide on there. All right, with our hitch install, we did pull it on level ground to get you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 12.5 inches. That wraps up our installation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about products seen in this video, or you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.